Okay, now we got the header up. This is part 2 of a barn door install. Now we're putting the track on, and Tristan's putting the little, I call them bumpers. What do you call them, Tristan?
Spacers.
Spacers. That's probably the right word. And these all come in the kit. It's gonna be noisy, y'all. And he's measuring from the ceiling down to where he needs that for his door. Okay, only 3 more to go. He puts his level up there. And that's a pretty cool level because it has a magnetic thing on there and it doesn't fall, which is pretty cool. Where'd you get that at?
I think I got it at Lowe's.
At Lowe's?
Yeah.
Want me to step over?
Yeah, don't switch spots. Might just move your little step stool around.
This takes 2 people to do. The hardware's heavy and you got to make sure everything's level. And plus you got a video.
Yeah.
Perfect. So when he gets through doing that, he just puts the door on, which already has the sliders, the hangers on them, the rollers. There's so many different words for different things. There could be 3 or 4 words for one thing. So, he just has 2 more to do, and then he's through with the track. So if you watch my other video, it showed you how he put the header on, the board on top, how to measure, what to look for. And now this is part 2, I'm putting the track on. And then I'll do another 3. I was talking, which is hanging the door and making sure it fits and rows good and putting the handle on. Perfect.
There you go.
Huh?
There you can show them if you want. Can't get more level than that.
Yep, that's level. I think he went out to get the door to see if it's going to hang correctly. So I am going to remove that magnetic level. See, it has a magnet on it. It's pretty cool. Y'all never seen one of those before. He got it at Lowe's, but it just, see, that's pretty cool. It's the little things. You can even do it upside down. How cool is that? We always put something down on the floor because of the stain, and she has like white carpet, and I don't want to get stain on her white carpet, so it's been drying for days, but you never know. It could be wet, so we want to make sure. So that's just another precaution. So he's coming in with the door now. Don't bang the other doors. Oh my God. Blooper number. Okay, he's gonna hang the door. And she wants the pretty side in her bedroom, which that's what I would do too. Let's turn it that way. So he just lifts that on there. Voila. He hadn't put the stopper on yet.
That's why you put stoppers on.
Yeah. Explain the stopper, Tristan.
A stopper goes at the ends of the bars to make sure that that doesn't happen.
Do that again. I wasn't filming at that point up there. So yeah, you need the stoppers on. And then he'll put the stoppers on both ends, and then we'll put the handle on, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Shut that door, let me see. Yeah. Looks really good.
Yep.
How does it look from the bathroom side? Let me see. This is a special walnut with the distress. The customer wanted just a little bit distressed, so we distressed it here. You can see, but it's a special walnut. I really like it because I mean, it's rustic. You know, the knot hose and all that kind of stuff. It's really cool. So let me get in the bathroom part. Yeah, that's the other side. She had white doors that we took off here. All you have to do is just putty those hose and then paint it, sand a little bit, paint it, build it up a little bit, and then just paint it. And you can never tell. So, yeah, it works perfect. And this is the biggest thing right now is the barn doors, the farmhouse look. It's still in style. The barn doors I don't think will ever go out of style because everybody just loves that look, and it's just, I don't know, it adds values to the home. She has like a farmhouse look going on anyway, and I just think that's really, really pretty. So that was number 2, and I will do part 3 and show you the handles, and really you don't need part 3. Sorry about that. We're just going to screw in handles here, and it's black iron to match the track and stuff on top. So really, it's easy. If you need us to install, build barn doors, give us a call. Look us up on Facebook, Texas Shutter Biz, or Decor Inside and Outside. And please subscribe to us. Hit the like button. We do a lot of home projects like stovetop covers and pet and baby gates and shutters and all that kind of stuff. So please subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks, y'all.